Welcome back, my lovely travelers, to Tiaa Travel Tales. Buckle up because today we are cruising through the heart of Soweto. Soweto is a township in the city of Johannesburg, South Africa. The word Soweto is short for Southwestern Townships. It is one of the most historically significant areas in South Africa, known for its central role in the anti-apartheid movement. A robot? Oh, I don't know what a robot is.
Traffic lights.
Oh, okay, traffic lights.
South African people, they don't know what's traffic light. They know the roads. We are confused people.
They just run the lights. They do that in St. Louis. Do a lot of people go to church?
Yes. Yes, they do. Not a lot, some do.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, some people.
We are about to pull up to Vilakazi Street, the only street in the world where two Nobel Peace Prize winners, Nelson Mandela and Archbishop Desmond Tutu lived. Today, Soweto is a vibrant hub of culture, music, art, and history. It is a must-visit spot if you're in Johannesburg.
Yes. So wonderful. Bese mnamthola yini? Yima. Awuyeke nabantu. Lento le angiyifuni kabi lento le. Uyabona ke lento eseniyenzayo ebafana. Ngoba soku 2025.
They perform it.
25 manje amabhandini. Umnyaka omusha. Kuyakhunyiswa yabamenya so. Ngiyova. Ngicela nginikeza belungu. Manje ngihlala ngitshela phela kufanele kuceliwe enkosini.
So kuphi Christmas?
Yeah, fanele ngicela inkosi yini? Mangithi ubaba inkosi ngubani? Akusimba inkosi.
Ubaba Nkulu.
Manje inkosi ngubani? Ubani? The guys are the street dancers.
Yeah, the street dance.
Okay? The Zulu dance.
Uh-huh.
And it's called war dance.
Oh.
Yes,
They
you
gonna
know the
dance
Zulus,
there?
they call it like, yeah. But now they're asking, can they do it for you?
Oh.
Can they?
Hoo-ha.
If you want to take a picture with us, come and join the photo. Just only 2 seconds on the time. Come and join.
It's time for Africa. Soweto, Mandela, Africa. We love big play. Welcome to Soweto.
Like Chaka Zulu's people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like Chaka Zulu's people.
Oh, so they sell stuff.
That was nice.
Soweto.
And then you have the house of Desmond Tutu.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the same street.
Which one is it?
This one.
This white one?
Yeah, with the blue thing. If you zoom that thing, it will say Tutu.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Tutu's house.
Welcome to Soweto.
Don't tell us what they're in drugs. You can say it's sniffing something.
They on drugs.
Don't even try to. If you try to help them, you are killing these ones.
Are you?
Yeah. They are smoking bad stuff. Look their eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, you can go. I'm trying to see that.
No, not you.
All kids. Do they have drug programs for them?
Yeah, they start smoking wrong stuff. I told them that for me, now my guests, they are not going even to entertain you with
Oh, they got food.
because you are not helping them, you are helping them to die earlier. I'm talking about from my experience. One of my sons started like this and end up being killed by the people because you end up being in drugs addicted. Stealing from the people.
Right. Drug addicts.
Drug addicts, yeah. They sniff ARVs mixed together with red poison and something else and marijuana. Yeah, Christian, yeah, they call it Christian, something Christian as well.
And they call it crack and heroin.
You can see they're very young to keep on begging, asking money on the side of the road. What money for?
So they stop school.
Yeah, stop schooling. There's Mandela's house.
Oh, dang. Get some pictures of
I'm
it.
taking you to now.
Okay.
These are the two attendants.
Can you go in or you?
Yeah, we are going in.
Oh, okay.
Mandela's house.
Wow. This made me cry.
And Mandela, you pay for yourself, okay?
Okay.
I think they did explain that.
They didn't tell us.
The Mandela.
Such a pleasant surprise to witness two sets of African dancers. Our next stop is to tour Nelson Mandela's home. Stay tuned to the next video of the tour of Nelson Mandela's home. I'm about to enter Nelson Mandela's house in Soweto.